speedier you go, the more critical cutting through the air progresses toward becoming, and racers have been taking a shot at approaches to enhance their air for nearly as long as there's been hustling. For 2018, things appear to achieve minimum amount at the assigned last preseason MotoGP test at Chang International Circuit in Thailand. The last test is March 1st to 3rd in Losail, Qatar, and after that everyone's bodywork should be endorsed before the principal race there March 18th. In case you're keen on a portion of the heap outlines the designers have thought of to cheat the breeze, from sensibly insignificant on the Hondas to Fokker triplanish on the Ducatis, there's a display with 169, check 'em, photographs here.